Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to merge the cells on your table. If you have to merge two cells on your table, just follow this method. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So to merge the cell, you just need a table. So I'm just going to insert a table. For an example, I'm just inserting a 3 into 3 table here. So I need to merge this two cell because this two will be a single topic or single heading. So you just need, for an example, I just going to type it as 1 and here it's 2, and I just need to merge those two cells too. So I just typed as 3 and 4. So we just need to merge these two cells and these two cells. So you just want to select the which cell that you want to merge and right click on the options here. Now you can see a merge cell option on here. You can see, just click this, automatically the cell will be merged and the sentence will be arranged as per the following. So you can also just merge this cell by clicking this and right click here and click on the merge cell option here. Just click here. You can see now the cells has been merged. You can use this option to merge whole table as a single cell. So, and you can also unmerge the cell by selecting this. For an example, I just need to unmerge this cell. So click here. You can see it's automatically unmerge the cell. So this option provides you to unmerge the cell and also to merge the cell. Try this option on Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.